What's up guys, we're here in Izmir, and in this video we're going to show you the best things to do in and around the area. It's a really bustling city, lots of stuff going on, and there's some really cool day trips you can do to some pretty spectacular stuff as well. So hope you enjoy the video.
We are Zach and Ina, full-time digital nomads from the United States and Belgium. We met while studying abroad in 2018 and have been traveling the world together ever since. We're here to inspire your next adventure, whether it's hiking in the Canadian Rockies, a road trip through the US, or backpacking across Africa. On our channel, you'll find unfiltered videos of hiking guides and the best things to do in destinations around the world. Izmir is located in western Turkey, along the Aegean Sea. It's the third largest city in Turkey after Istanbul and Ankara, with over 3 million inhabitants. It's a popular university town in Turkey, so much of the population is made up of young students, giving the city a youthful and vibrant feel. The city offers a mix of cultural, historical, and archaeological sites. Thus, it's a great place to visit if you want to immerse yourself in Turkish culture and enjoy the unique local cuisine. You can combine your visit to Izmir with nearby beautiful beach destinations such as Kusadasi, Çeşme, or Marmaris. Now, let's dive into what this bustling city has to offer. At number 6, we have the neighborhood of Konak. Konak is Izmir's core historic area, located right next to the water. It's known for its busy square full of pigeons, but you can also find Izmir's iconic landmark here, the clock tower. This was erected in 1901 and is now the most photographed monument in all of Izmir. But besides the clock tower, it's also a great idea to walk around, dine, or shop at the Konak Pier, or simply enjoy the fresh air of the sea along the water.
So here I'm surrounded by pigeons, and you can buy some little seeds from the locals and feed them all around the square. There's like thousands of them here. Just like so many other cities in Turkey, modern-day Izmir has an ancient past. Known as Smyrna in the past, it was founded by the Greeks, taken over by the Romans, and rebuilt by Alexander the Great, before becoming part of the Ottoman Empire in the 15th century. Today, there are only a few ancient ruins left, such as the Roman Agora and the Pamukkale castle that sits on top of the hill overlooking Izmir. You can also visit the Archaeological Museum of Izmir, which has a large display of artifacts from the Greek and Roman periods. The bustling neighborhood of Alsancak is located in the heart of the city. It's the center of culture and entertainment, thus the ideal place to indulge yourself in the local Turkish culture. There are many amazing restaurants, bars, shops, hotels, and nightclubs at your fingertips. For that reason, it's also the best and safest area to stay in. We really encourage you to try the different local foods here.
This is something you absolutely have to try. It's a dessert called künefe, and it's like a cheese baked with like coconuts and different things. It's delicious.
The third best thing to do in and around Izmir is to go on a one-day or multi-day trip to Pamukkale. This magical destination is located about 230 kilometers or 143 miles from Izmir. It can easily be reached within a day or two by bus, tour bus, train, or rental car. Pamukkale is known for its one-of-a-kind thermal pools nestled within thick layers of white limestone. The limestone pools are of course a unique and beautiful sight for pictures, but there's so much more than that at Pamukkale. In fact, there's an entire ancient city behind the thermal pools. This city is called Hierapolis and was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. Watch our other video all about Pamukkale and book your day tour via the link in the description below. The second best thing to do in Izmir is to visit the local Kemeralti Bazaar. This is one of the liveliest and oldest parts of the city and lies right beside Konak Square. Hence, it can be easily combined with a visit to Konak Square and even the Roman Agora or other ancient sites of Izmir. The bazaar was one of our favorite activities in the city because of the smells, flavors, coziness, and local atmosphere. It's a historic market with many traditional shops and cafes, but also historic buildings, such as the Hisar Mosque, which dates back to the 16th century.
One day you must come here and see the culture. Our bazaar is very old, big. You can find all what you want. Handmade products also, good quality copies.
And what's the name of your shop?
Red bags.
Okay, bags. And the name of the bazaar?
Kemeralti. We wait us.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool.
bye bye.
The best thing to do in Izmir is to go on a day trip to Ephesus. Ephesus is our favorite ancient ruin in all of Turkey. The ruins are located about 80 kilometers or 50 miles from Izmir, near the city of Selçuk. You can easily get there by train, bus, or car and combine it with a visit to the House of Virgin Mary, a sacred place. Ephesus was an ancient port city and once considered the most important Greek city and the most important trading center in the Mediterranean region. Throughout history, Ephesus survived multiple attacks and changed hands many times between conquerors. What's truly special about this site is how well the ruins are preserved. You can find ancient toilets, a library, 2 theaters, and much more. We especially love the terrace houses with beautiful frescoes and mosaics, which can be visited for an extra fee. Get a guide at the entrance and learn all about the history. We've also included a link to book your own day tour to Ephesus in the description below.
Welcome to Ephesus City. My name is Faruk. I'm a local guide and local citizen here and born and raised here. Over 200,000 people used to be living on this beautiful city, Ephesus. All the roads goes to Rome, and in Asia, all the roads was going to and ending in Ephesus City. Incredible city, 10 kilometers all around. And this beautiful day, we have a chance to visit this beautiful city together with my friends.
There are some other things to do in and around Izmir that we didn't mention in this video. These include visiting the Roman ruins of Pergamon Akropole, which are located about a 2-hour drive north of the city, relaxing on the nearby beaches of Çeşme or Kuşadası, and exploring the lesser-known ruins of Magnesia ad Meandron. Alright guys, that's it for our video on the best things to do in Izmir. What activities are you most excited to do yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more Turkey videos, and download our free giveaway in the description below. Catch you on the next adventure.